Logue here, the Anchor Group, with another property tour here in Ocean City. Today we're at 5033 Asbury Avenue. First floor, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, lovely appointed property, offered at $999,000. Let's take a look inside. But before we do me a favor, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of these property tours in the future. Let's go. 5033 Asbury. It's the first floor on the beach side of Asbury Avenue. Open floor plan. Gorgeous kitchen. Stainless appliances. Fireplace. We also have an entrance up from the garage. Up a few steps to our bedroom area, a full bathroom. Washer dryer in the hallway. Our first bedroom. Second bedroom. Next, we proceed to the master suite. Both the master suite and the other rear bedroom have access to a rear deck, perfect for your morning coffee or a little lounging after the beach. We have a shared garage. With direct access, a couple steps to our unit. Thanks for coming along for the property tour. If you have any interest in this property or any other Ocean City properties, please do not hesitate to give me a call at the contact information listed below. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of these property tours going forward. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.